Hello and welcome to this InfoScience tutorial, which will guide you through the process of submitting a publication. After logging into InfoScience, click on New Submission. You are now on your Submissions page. You have two options for uploading a document. First option, click on the plus button to create a new submission using a blank form. Second option, click on the Live Import button to import a publication from an external source. Let's take the example of the second option. Click on the Live Import button and choose the relevant option. To submit a journal article, select Publication. You are now on the page where you can search for and import your publication from an external source. Expand the drop-down menu and select the external resource to query. You can import your publication if you have a DOI, Web of Science, or Scopus identifier. Alternatively, you can use the title of the publication and/or the author's name. Let's take the most common example, importing via DOI. Select the Crossref field. Enter the DOI and click on Search. Once the publication is found, click on the Import icon. A publication preview window opens. After checking the metadata, click on Start Submission and select the appropriate collection. The submission form opens. The information is already pre-filled from the publication you selected. This saves you time and ensures the accuracy and quality of the metadata. All you need to do is complete the missing fields, upload your file, or import it using the Unpaywall feature if it is already available in open access. To proceed, click on the Import from Unpaywall button. Then click on the Edit icon to enter the information about the files. Finish by clicking Save. Review the entire form and add any missing information. For example, you can add additional authors by clicking on Add. It is also important to correctly fill in the mandatory fields marked with an asterisk. If your publication is editorial or peer-reviewed, the laboratories or units involved, and if it is produced by an author affiliated with EPFL. The more details you add to your publication, the better its visibility and web indexing in scholarly platforms will be. For example, we recommend to include the abstract, keywords, the journal references where the article is published, any additional fields or extra URLs, potential funding sources, related works. If you wish to link your current publication to another one already in InfoScience, such as an article related to a dataset or a book chapter related to a book. Once the submission form is completed, check the box I confirm the license above. Then click on Deposit to finalize your submission. Once your submission is complete, you will find it in your dashboard with the status Pending Validation. Your submission will be reviewed by the InfoScience team before publication. They will check the bibliographic data, the version, and the license of the files. Depending on the number of submissions being processed, the online publication delay may take up to 48 hours. Once validated, the status will change to Published. You will receive a confirmation email once your submission has been accepted by the InfoScience team. That's it. You know how to submit a publication in InfoScience. Thank you for following this tutorial. If you have any questions or encounter any difficulties, feel free to consult our help page or to contact the InfoScience team at EPFL Library.